Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crop in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is to open your project. And after that, you can do it by going to the file, clicking on your project and create a new project, or you can open an existing project. Now, all we need to do is to go to our footage and basically we'll be needing to go to media so you can add media to crop, etc. So you can either use stock media or your own footage, etc. And it's okay. So now all we'll be needing to do is either to use a shortcut or to use these tools. So here we have our tool, and as you can see, we can see this split footage. And basically, if you want to crop an image or to resize it, you can simply go here and you can basically resize it. And now let's just use it with a background. So for example here, and now we can choose this one. So you can right click on the video and basically here you will have like all these options. And now all we'll be need to do is just to click crop to fit or crop in zoom. So here you can either like crop and basically here and you click on apply and now it will crop in zoom. Otherwise, if you want the other type of cropping, you will be needing just right click, crop and fit and it will just fit your footage. So here you will also you can use like the shortcut by clicking on Alt and C. So you can just simply click on Alt and C and it will have this. And now you can crop this part and you can click on apply and now it has cropped our video. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.